This is my obligatory I went shopping for fall stuff video because tomorrow is September 1st. You guys, autumn is coming, and while it doesn't feel like it in Central Oregon, it is September 1st tomorrow. Currently 95 degrees and I'm not sure how I feel about this. Here we are with an autumnal clothing and decor haul. I'm pretty sure you guys love autumn just as much as I do, so I hope that you are just as excited as I am about this video because I got some cute stuff for work and some decor for the background here. Let's just dive on in because this is going to be a pretty long video, I'm assuming. Let's start with the stuff that I got from TJ Maxx. It would not be an autumnal haul without a candle. This is the Everyday Luxe Pumpkin Praline Candle. Smells so good. It has candied praline, almond, orange, pumpkin, nutmeg, cinnamon, clove, baked vanilla, and tonka bean. This is one of those 3-wick, which I think burn the best. This was $6.99. Next thing I got isn't really for the fall, but I'm feeling so overwhelmed with how my current setup is looking. I've got like so many like cups filled with different things. I'll probably keep this, but like just like jars full of brushes, these cups full of brushes, and I just feel like really overwhelmed. So I found this thing and thought it was really cute and would be a cute way to hold my brushes in here and then my palettes in here, because right now I got some palettes in this like white wire thing that's like super wobbly and not really that cute. So I'm going to try to fit everything in here because I think it's cute and kind of looks more homey. So I'm excited about this. I really like it. So not really fall related, but like cute nonetheless. Oh, and I got that for only $9.99 and it's like super sturdy. Next, I got this adorable plaid fall color blanket, which I am going to put back there to kind of give it more of a fall feel back there. I'm just gonna rearrange this for fall. I want it to look cute. So yeah, this is so soft and I love the colors in it. I love how soft it is. It's definitely not gonna be just for decor. I'm definitely going to cuddle with this all the time. And I got this for only $14.99. From here on out is clothing and outfit related. The last thing from TJ Maxx that I got are black booties, which are so cute. The ones that I had, I wore on a photo shoot and it was still kind of muddy, so they kind of got ruined. Like I don't even know how to save them. So I found these. They're super cute, super comfortable, and they were only $29.99. They're super cute. I love how cut they are, and there's like cute little like embossing right there, or cutout. I don't know. Super cute, super comfortable, and I'm obsessed with them. Can't wait to wear them probably every single day. All right. Moving on to Old Navy, which is the last store that I went to, but the store that I did the most damage at. Sorry to my husband. It's Labor Day weekend as I'm filming this, so they had some deals, they had some steals, and they had their fall clothing out. So I got fall clothing for work. The most important thing to note is I got these for work. I spend 40 plus hours a week at work and need to be business professional. I'm tired of some of the clothes that I've had to wear, so I got some more clothes for work and they're cute. So the first thing that I got is this super cute like t-shirt style dress. Guys, I am obsessed with Old Navy's like t-shirt style dresses. I have them in like the tank top form that are like really thick. I have them in this like quarter sleeve form. I have like half sleeve. I want literally all of them. I mean, there are some like questionable patterns, but like the fit of these are so good, so cute, and so effortless to just throw on. You can wear a pair of booties with them or some sandals and you are set. So comfy and so cute, and you don't even have to try. This retails for $34.99. I got it for $17.49, 50% off. Moving right along, I got these Pixie pants. These fit really, really tight, so I had to like size up. These are just the khaki color of the Pixies. These retail for $34.99 and I got it for $24.49. It was 30% off. Next thing I got is this shirt, which is very wrinkly. I literally just came back from buying these things and this is already so wrinkly, so great. It's just a plain white shirt that is like 3/4 length sleeves, so it's like a cute cut. This was 50% off, I remember. Retail for $19.99 and I got it for $9.99. It's just plain white, but I find myself always running into issues of like not having a white shirt for some reason, even though I feel like I buy a white shirt every time I go shopping. Can wear that with literally all of the pants that I got, so can't go wrong with a white shirt. Next thing I got, I am so pumped for because it is so cute. It is this super cute, like chunkier cable knit sweater in a burnt orange color. Guys, tell me that this does not scream fall. This is like fall in a sweater. I am obsessed with this color. This cut is really cute and it is so comfy and warm. The sleeves fit like a little bit longer, so you like kind of push them up and it's like kind of more baggy in the sleeves. So cute, really flattering cut. Can I just take a moment to say that all of the other colors were like mint green, lilac, like all of these like springy colors. I would never wear those colors in the fall. Like, why was there not burgundy, olive green, black, mustard yellow? Like, this was the only fall color in this. You can't make the epitome of a fall sweater and then like not have fall colors. I don't get it. Anyway, I picked up this one because it was the only one that was fall color. Got it for $31.49, so it was 30% off. Not that great, but it was still on sale. Like, that's all that matters, right? Again, with the stripes, I got this dress because, again, with the cut of these dresses, they are so cute. They only had an extra large. I usually wear a large. The other one was a large. But they only had an extra large, but I felt like I needed it because of the mustard yellow color. Now, this looks obnoxious, but it looks really cute on, and it's like super fall because it's a navy blue and a mustard yellow. Obsessed with it. This was $34.99 and it was the same price as the other one, $17.49. I got another pair of Pixie pants, but this is in a charcoal gray color because I don't own a pair in this color. Figured you couldn't go wrong with a charcoal gray for business professional color. Same price as the other ones because they're Pixie. Got it in a navy blue color, again, just a Pixie style. Very cute. Can't go wrong with navy blue. Very professional. And last, I got this pair of pants called a Stevie, which I've never seen before. It basically looks like and feels like you're wearing leggings, but they're like, they've got like a seam in the center of them. They tighten your stomach a little bit. They're like leggings and they feel like you're wearing leggings, but they look more professional because they're built to look more like dress pants. $29.99 is the retail price. They were not on sale, so that's okay. $29.99. So if you did the math, I spent a lot of money. Those are all of the fall clothes that I've gotten so far. I'm super excited for fall to be here because I am really tired of this heat and I'm really tired of not being able to wear cute fall clothes. So I almost forgot, this is not fall themed either, but I have to show you guys. YouTuber outfit, sorry. Previously, I've been sitting on this stool, which is so uncomfortable, and it sits really tall. So like, I can't get into my drawers or anything, so I've been sitting in this on this stool. I went to Goodwill and look what I found. It's a little dirty. I only need to clean it. But it was only $6 and like it's a little like worn on the legs. It's so cute and it fits lower so I can open up my drawers while still being sat in my vanity. Shh. Super cute. Again, not fall related, which is why I almost forgot to say it, but got it before I went to all the other stores. That was everything I got. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and if you're excited for the fall time. So yeah, I will see you all in my next video. In the meantime, make sure to spread some positivity. Bye guys.